guys, it's our day 2 here in Hong Kong. So guys, nandito na kami sa breakfast buffet ng hotel.
Meron pala dito ha. Wala machine ng mga Disney. May playroom dito.
Ayan kami lahat guys. Ang sarap ng mga pagkain nila dito. Hindi pang pang Chinese. Primo! Primo! Ay. Mamaya daw pag nagpalit ng character. Ito yung plate nila.
Hindi siya hindi masarap lang talaga siya.
Hindi siya pancake.
Wash siya pancake.
Wait. Ate, pahingin nga.
Sarap. Matala yung laman ito. Oo. Tigisa ba tayo?
Oo. Ay.
Gusto ko hot milk.
Milky na...
Gab! Are you happy? Gab! Nunod! Nalaglalang ng tubig!
Ay, mo siya umihilig. Umihilig yung dati.
Mahina muna eh.
Bawala ka.
Bumibiri talaga yung... Sobrang lakas.
Yung ayan, nagbabibrate na yung kwarto.
Gumising ka!
Tagay kay Jessica.
Nakakatakot naman yun! Nakakatakot!
Pagka wala yun, nakakatakot pa.
Lang, di ba? Ayan, ang ganda! Thank you! Tia, pa-picture for Goofy?
Here, I like this.
Get it siya.
Because inside have the materials already. Yeah.
Okay, it's okay.
Inside have the materials already. Please help me to take it.
Ano yan, ha? Ay, umingiti na ka to yung mukha.
Okay, so this one, maybe I have. We will put it. Try it twice on the top. And here. And then you can try to move the finger. And here we have the hole. Here. The shape is look like this.
Ano, yan. Ilalagay mo to.
Like this.
Yan, ganito. Ilalagay mo to sa loob. Yan.
So is it okay? Okay, thank you. Yes. And then yes.
Okay lang yan. Kaya mo yan. Iisin mo lang.
Yeah, this one. Oh, wait, ha?
Iisin mo lang. Kaya mo yan.
Galing ni Gogo.
Ito yung fake. Ano?
Yung may tawala tayo. Kaya nga. So guys, sa labas na kami. Ang ganda! Yung gusto niya same. Ay, ang galing! Saan pa kata mo? Pupunta na kami Disneyland. We're here.
Sa payo.
So guys, dito na namin here sa Disneyland. Ayan. Dahil grabe talaga. Hi!
Nakuha nila yung perfect hair color.
Pap, say hi muna! Kakainis. Ate, say hi to my vlog.
Hi,
Day 2.
Day 2 in Hong Kong Disneyland.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog, day 2.
Ayan na.
Tara na!
So guys, nandito na kami sa loob. Reaktaka na naman ng pawis. Sobrang init. Wala pang parade. Late. Tulog na si Gab-Gab. Ay, init.
Bawal makit, tutubukin ka niya.
Sorry ka natin ka na. Tapos na ang parade and sobrang init. Pasok kami sa store para magpalamig. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Tingnan nyo naman ang pawis. Ibang klase. Sanay na tayo sa init pero grabe ang init dito. Kakainit talaga. SB19. Ayun na.
Mama! Mama!
It's yours. You can bring this back home.
Ano yun? Ay, ang ganda ng Cinderella. Grabe.
Yes?
Later, Gab, later. Namili siya. Ito daw.
This one, yeah. Elsa.
Blonde. Okay.
The long hair or the pump?
Ah, the long hair. Long hair. Yeah, Elsa.
So do you know which princess are you today?
Elsa.
That one, blue one, right? That one
Elsa.
is Elsa, right?
Yeah.
So before being Elsa, I will teach you a princess manner. Can you follow me to learn it? Okay. Okay. So when princess have a language, you can follow me.
Let it go, yes.
Shake hands.
Shake it.
Yeah. And we will say thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you like this.
Stand up, stand up.
And then like this. And you can pretend.
Yes.
And how to say goodbye. And then like this.
head like this. Yeah.
Galing!
So do you want your dress?
Ingat siya, ingat siya.
Boppity boo.
Go! BBD.
Bibbidi boppity boo. Oh,
Yay! Oh, wait.
we can go inside. Let's see.
Wow.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Take picture with the dresses. You can stand in the middle. Stay in the middle. Picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, Gab. Gab, smile.
Look at the phone here.
Smile.
Yes. Are you ready to see your dress?
Here?
Ready? Look here.
Hindi, natakot siya, natakot siya.
Okay.
As, here, like this.
Look at the mirror.
Here.
You go together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
BBD. Babidi.
And then you say boo, Grace. So let's see what happened. No, here. Wow. What's this?
Oh, what's that?
It's a fairy dust. Where the fairy dust going? Is it going to the mirror? Wow. Hello there, Cinderella friend, Jack and Gus.
No.
Well, what are they doing today? They are cutting something. What are they doing? Look at the behind. Dress.
Gusto ko kunin yung magic wand ang wala. Yes! Bye-bye!
Ready? 1, 2,
BBD?
Bibbidi.
Babidi?
And then you say boo. Let's see.
Yes! That's your dress, anak!
Do you need to take photo with the dress first?
Smile.
Picture.
Later.
Come.
Happy.
Ay, isa pa daw.
The mirror. Okay.
Okay, and then mommy can help her to change.
Walang ganito sa Japan, no?
Make
Yes! Ayan ang gusto mo, di ba?
Let's take some picture.
Okay.
About 15 minutes.
Oh, ganda naman!
Mama!
Look! Nakapuso agad. Kulang niya lipstick.
Just like you're sleeping, okay? Relax.
Oh, yes. Gab, pikit.
Close your eyes. Sleeping. Relax.
Ang itsura ng bata. Smile.
See, we have the red.
Wow.
This one you like?
Yung red talaga ang gusto niya lipstick.
How about
Ayan. Up.
This flower, okay. So I was thinking of ring sticker and a ring. So this one Elsa. How about you know her? This.
Ay, lahat.
This is
Pick one.
One only.
You want Ola? This? Okay, so I will stick it on your ear. I just put next to her earring.
Huwag niyo naman saktan, te.
Close your eyes.
Pikit, ganun. Ganito.
Ring. Close your eyes.
Pikit. Oh!
Sorry. Oh. Kanta. Okay. Oh, princess.
Ang ganda.
No, touch the nose and like this.
Yes.
Oh, faster. Faster. Good job. One more time. Oh, what is this?
Wow.
Can you catch Oyo? Bibili?
Naiinis siya.
Akala mo natatawa siya. Oyo? Faster, Oyo! Okay, close your eyes first. Here, because the mirror can see.
Okay.
Wow, is that you? Do you like it?
Smile.
Yourself and smile. Oh, where's your princess smile?
Gabi, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Have again.
Ayun, nakangiti siya.
Good job. Okay, can you touch your
Smile like this.
Ayan! Ayan! Bilisan mo! Ang tagal mo!
Oh. Why you timer on my nose?
Oh, one more smile.
Oh my eyes. Where's the timer?
Smile.
Smile like this.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Bobby D. There's two Elsa. Ay, may ilaw pala yun, Gab.
Oh, no.
Gab.
Pati ano.
Gab. Do you? Ay, ala. Isa. Aray, masakit. Bakit mo kinakagat? Aray, masakit nga. Ah, mama, ate, simot ba't kinakagat ako? Hindi ka tinatanggap. Aray, ang sakit. Ay, utang guling-buliw. Ouch, tita.
You all help us to summon a spirit. Oh, yes. Which one?
Taray ni Mare. Lamig. Ay! Yes.
In the alley flower, the enchanted forest, they will be surrounded forever. Oh my God.
Yan na. Go! Yes, man. Bulinggit. Nakabili yan. Pagod na ako.
坐好，请将您的胳膊和手脚放在船里面。
Ayun yung po siya. Ang dilim. Saan kaya Tagalog dito? Hindi. Sa babayan. Puro bansa ata to. Takot. Si Jasmine dito. Africa.
Ay, hindi na nakatingin yung sonahan. Meron ba?
Wala. Iba't ibang bansa tayo. Welcome to America. Ganda rin yung kulay. Oh, gising pa. Ano, si Woody. Si ano, pakanta. Asia. Asa na yung Pilipinas? Japan to, Japan. Hindi ano, doll.
Philippines.
Asan ba? Ayun, ayun, ayun. Philippines.
Ayun, ganda.
Tertiary.
Ay, ba't dalawa lang yan ang Philippines? Magkasa pa dyan.
Nandiyan naman ang pagkakalimutan.
Ayun, ang mga bateri nung namin.
Nakakatawa. Si Watwat.
Japan blue. Mga bottle ko. Oo. Ganda. Ganda ng kulay.
Guys, nandito kami sa likod. Wala na kami pwesto sa unahan eh. Tsaka sobrang daming tao. Umikot pa kami. Grabe, ang pawis. Sobrang tagaktak ang pawis. Super amoy pulbura dito sa likod. Grabe. After nito, mag-inchira na kami. Sige, Edgen.
Wala ako pa eh.
Game, iba. Ano nagigil?
Gab.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3.
Sa picture na may photoshoot siya. Tapos ito, da-download yung picture. I-scan ko na baka mawala pa. Tawag ako na ba?
Ang ganda ng gob-gob. Isa ba? Guys, naka-Tesla yung Uber namin.